Hello again to all of my beautiful designers. I just thought that I would take a minute to explain to you guys what the video that you're going to see is. So I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a designer. When I say a designer, I mean a designer of all things, honey. So I have about 6,000 photos, probably even more videos that I've taken over the years of things that I've designed. I definitely started in flowers and doing weddings. So the video that you guys are about to see is going to be one of a many part, kind of like special, if you will, of something that I call, story that I call Forever Fly. And for me, that means any kind of designs that you make, if they're coming from your mind, I feel like it doesn't matter when you made it way back then, if you make it today, if you're making something tomorrow, I feel like because it came from your mind, it's forever fly. So I hope you guys enjoy. The designs we find in our minds from now until the end of time will always be forever fly.
I'm gonna test this out right quick on you. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.